Hi guys, Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here. So this last weekend we had the Bay Area Car Show. It was actually just yesterday, and I ended up not going. It rained pretty decently throughout the day, so I didn't feel like, taking two freshly detailed cars and put them in the rain and just sitting out in the rain. I just didn't think that was going to be too much fun, so I ended up not going. If you're wondering why I wasn't there, that's why. But today I wanted to show you guys a new, well, not new, but a product that I've used in the past that I think works really good. I only have one vehicle that I can use it on, so, but I'll show you, kind of demonstrate what it is and how it works. And I mean, with a little bit of time and elbow grease, you can make your vehicle look 1,000 times better. Kind of get set up and show you guys what I'm talking about, and I kind of go through and show you how to use this product and how make your old piece of junk vehicle look a lot better. And even if you have a nice one and it just don't look good, this will help out a lot. So but yeah, I'll check in with you once we get all set up in the garage. Or actually, we're gonna do it outside the garage because I got both cars in the garage. So I'll set up and check in with you then. Alrighty. Hi guys. So like I said before, I'm gonna show you how to like kind of liven up an old truck. And this thing's really not worth putting anything to, but I got this stuff over here. It's gonna work out real good for polishing up these chrome pieces here. So I kind of want to go through, show you how it works. I'm gonna go grab it right now real quick. So this stuff right here I've used in the past. It's called Nevr-Dull from Eagle One. You can get it at Walmart or any hardware store should have it. It's for polishing up silverware, brass, copper, anything like that. So works pretty well. So I'll kind of just go through and explain how this stuff works. And this is what it looks like inside there. It's like a cotton material, and I think it's got like a chemical in it that just polishes up chrome, brass, and other metals too. So I'll do a little demonstration of how it works. So I did a little test spot on the front bumper, and it cleaned up pretty nice, as you can see there. So I'll show you on the other side, on the corner, on what it looks like before. The other side looked identical to this, all rusty, and well, that doesn't help the fender's rusted, but all rusty and all that. So I'll just kind of go through here real quick. I'm telling you, you guys with these older trucks, this is what you should do. Make it a little bit better looking. Just because you got a piece of shit doesn't mean it doesn't have to look nice. No, I said that wrong. Just because you have a piece of shit doesn't mean it has to look terrible. So all you do to this, just give it a little rub and watch your trim peel off while you're doing it, because it's falling off. A minute of doing it. Already looking really good. Rusty old Chevy. Well, GMC.
Same difference.
Same difference. Just a generic made Chevy, right?
Junk.
Yeah. this up, and then we'll do the rear bumper. I think that's going to be the best comparison. So hot, it is hot. So I'm going to do one side of this bumper, and then I'll leave that side to show you comparison. Now this one hasn't been hit by rocks, so this one should shine up very well. So I'll get started on it.
Never.
When it was on the dealership floor.
Basically, yeah. Straight from the factory.
That side done, and that side is still crusty, so makes it look a lot better. I mean, you can even see the reflection of the camera, so yeah, looks good. I think I'll do the rest of the trim on the truck too, which is only like a couple other pieces, but then I'll do a walk around the front and the rear. Bumper all finished up there. Oh yeah, looks good on, except for those rust spots there, but and I couldn't really clean it up. I mean, I could if I just spent some time on it, but I don't. Yeah, that's fine. So got that. Got the front bumper all cleaned up. That looks quite a bit better. I mean it's still all pitted and stuff, but it looked better than it did. So well, so just like a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of time, and I'll probably end up doing the grill too, get that all cleaned up. Oh yeah, there we go. So got it back home now. Bumpers are looking real good, I think. A lot better than they did. The front cleaned up pretty good, but that rear bumper cleaned up real nice. Yeah. So, anybody looking to clean up your chrome bumpers or even your like household faucets and all that, I guess that's the stuff that Eagle One Nevr-Dull. So, but I want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit the likes up button, or the thumbs up button. It's been a long day, it's been hot. And comment below if you want to see some more different things. Let me know. Thanks guys.